Hey, I got my Admiral washer. It's just a couple years old, and I'm running it. Actually have the lid switch taken off so I could open it up for you. I wanted to make sure that this was the type of washer that uses plenty of water, and it does. It actually fills all the way to the top with water, so it's not the low water type, though it is an HE machine. As you can see, spins really well. It's spinning really fast, and it is nice and stable. Sounds great. So it's not wobbly or shaky or any weird noises or anything like that. And just being a couple years old, it wouldn't be. But it's on the final spin. So as you can see, it sounds great, looks great. And we'll move those clothes out and get them moved over to the dryer here in just a second for you. Alright, now I've got those clothes moved over to the dryer. It's nice, super capacity plus, I believe. Or super capacity. It's huge either way, huge door opening. Those are in. We're just going to stick it on time dry, high heat. Hit go. As you can hear, it sounds great. There's no weird noises or anything like that. Then I'm going to show you that it is in fact heating up like it's supposed to. So this shows you the temperature. Open that up and shoot this right in there. Plenty of heat coming out of that heating element tube. The inside's getting nice and warm. Clothes are starting to warm up. So there you have it. It is heating and runs smooth. Sounds good. There it is. So we'll get that listed up for sale. And appreciate you taking the time to watch this video. Thanks.